All right, so welcome to a day in the life of Justin Nelson. You're gonna see some extreme things. You're gonna see some things bleeped out. Mostly because I don't want you to know what a day in the life of Justin is really like. But here's a day in the life of traveling. A lot of people see the highlight reel. They see the vacations. They see the fun trips. But here's life. We got some Red Bull, some empty water bottles because my trainer sucks ass and doesn't keep me up to speed with water. He doesn't also charge my AirPods, so I don't know why I pay him any money. Oh, there he is. Today's main objective, we are on the road, we are in Dallas, Texas, and today's only objective is to crush this next 2-day event. This next 2-day event is to do one thing and one thing only, and it's to teach people how to speak on stage. I've made millions of dollars speaking on stage over the last 2 years. This year alone, or actually last week alone, we made $2.4 million speaking on stage in just 1 week. 1 week. So speaking on stage can change your life if you let it. However, too many people are afraid of speaking on stage. This stage this year will probably be my 100th stage, 101st stage on Thursday or Friday this week. So come along, it's Thursday. We're gonna show you everything what it's like to travel because it's not all fun, but a lot of it is fun. So let's go. All right, Dan, so 702nd Uber. This is the 62nd hotel of the year. So if anybody has any questions about hotels, I'm the guy to ask. I'm a hotel whore.
What did you call yourself?
Hotel whore. For any of you guys that are wondering what my vlogs are gonna be like, think about what like the shit Elon Musk says online and just think about all the things that you wonder that goes through his brain. You're gonna start wondering what goes through my brain because it's not normal.
It's just gonna be about poor life choices, doing degenerate shit. And every single time, Justin is like, my life is going great. He figures out a way to spice things up. That's right. I think that's the true key to happiness, you know?
Being a degenerate?
Yeah, I think the true key to happiness is you never keep yourself happy. Right? If you're never continuously happy, you're just like, oh, I need to change something. Even if you cause the self-harm, you know?
All right, so sometimes I don't listen to my team. So the rule is, if I have my earbuds in, don't talk to me. The problem is, Luke's like, you always have your earbuds in. And I'm like, exactly, don't fucking talk to me at any time.
Excuses.
Now I need a picture.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready for the knockdown, drag out, stand up, get loud? This is how we get down.
What's up, JC? Dude, you're looking skinny.
Good, man.
What's up, bro?
Oh, good to see you. Yes, up.
What's up, brother?
What up, man? Here, I'll give you a hug.
Oh,
This
jumping
shit's-
in hot.
Ready to roll?
Ready to kick some ass, take some names, you?
Ready.
You know
Always
Lisa,
ready.
right?
Oh, of course.
Good morning, friends.
How are you? Good.
Do you have a slide deck for me or anything? I mean, I guess for tomorrow.
No.
Anything you want? No, nothing?
It's time to let the curtain rise. We're gonna shake the room. We're gonna own the night.
Are you videoing me right now? Okay, I think I figured out what tore up my stomach. What? Definitely that jerky. I just ripped a big ass right here, and it smells like that bacon.
He likes the weirdest shit. He's like, oh yeah, man, I went to the store, I got like this badass jerky or whatever it is, and then he like takes it out and it looks like these like fucking dried raw bacon bits, and he's just mowing this shit down before the flight. And then as soon as we land, he's like, oh, my stomach doesn't feel so good. Runs for the bathroom.
Sometimes you just gotta fit in that protein where you fit in the protein. I don't know why Luke's complaining about me spending money on eating protein, but this is what I get. I still get in trouble for trying to do what I'm supposed to.
I mean, he's sipping on pre-workout at 8 in the morning. Very tribal. We're just hunting for his breakfast.
I know. This part wasn't in the job description, but that's all right.
So everywhere we go, I make sure Justin stays within 5 to 10% of his calories every single day. So sometimes I gotta go hunt him down food while we're at events.
Silver lining to the story. If you thought that I would turn and run, then y'all don't know me. May my fears rest in peace, cause that's a old me. Got this taste on my tongue, I crave the glory. Gasoline in my veins, be the fuel through my pain.
All right, Dan, so here's what we're gonna do.
Yeah.
And I need you
Yeah.
to see if you can get like a room of like 30 to 35 set.
Okay.
You guys reach out to Tori, our event manager. I was just looking at her on stage and I was like, holy shit, we got a room of 35 people. We have no dinner plans. Why not show how much impact we can make? We've been talking about impact all day long. Like, why don't we try to make impact? So how about Sphere Rocket? We'll go and buy dinner for everybody. But to come to the dinner, they have to bring between $50 and $100 because they're probably gonna spend that anyways on whatever they're doing tonight. And let's tip that to the waitresses, waiters, whoever we figure out. Let's change someone's life. Let's give 25 people, 30 people times $50, about $1,500 that we can play to tip with. So it'd be cool. Just show what the power community can do.
Hey Tori, so you're gonna hate Justin for this, but he needs a reservation for 25 to 30 people tonight at 7 o'clock. Can you do it? Yeah, I did. Yeah, can you do it? You can try. There's no try, Tori. just do it, okay? Or you're fired. When it comes to that, just like good vibes. It doesn't have to be a steakhouse, it could be Italian or something, but just like good vibes. Okay, sound good? Okay, all right, that's it. She likes her job. All right, cool. All right, that's it. Cool. All right, then we got it.
That is how we make things happen. Leverage, money, impact.
Leverage.
Justin, what are you doing?
Oh yeah, feeling like gold. I don't wanna hide it. Oh yeah, on top of the world, nothing gonna
I'm just gonna tell you right now, Dan, two things. Normally I would never leave an event early, but we're still gonna accomplish the same task. They're all watching speakers and they don't even know I left. Number two, I just looked at my outfit and I'm wearing blue, green, and bright orange shoes.
What a clown, dude. Look at this guy. Looks like a trainer.
And I look like the fat guy he's training.
Well, you're doing good so far. You're playing the role perfect. He doesn't jump into workouts with you?
No, he's a bitch. No, he is nice. He does bring me the weights sometimes, or every time, so I don't have to like get up and strain my back. It's very nice. I'm thinking some T-Swift today.
No.
Oh, that's fine. I also like when I work out, I also don't like to talk to Luke. He like signals me what to do.
He also doesn't like to listen to me.
No, I listen.
He's like, hey, do this. And you're like, ow, that hurt.
I was genuinely excited for the gym, guys. I was like genuinely, oh, we're going to the gym. That's kind of cool. And then I was like, oh, we're going for a walk doing 5 crunches.
No, dude, we're gonna do an intense outside workout.
He doesn't answer. We're finishing.
There's no way, man. I'm hurting. Dan, we're done. We're done with today's workout.
We made it a whole three squats. Actually, 3 of them were toe touches.
I'll give you 100 squats and I'm done.
150.
100 perfect squats, I'm done. Perfect at one time, I won't even stop.
Let's see it then.
100. I'm not gonna stop.
And if you stop, you gotta start over. Or do the rest of the workout without being a bitch.
I'm not stopping. I'll do 100 straight. 1.
Where was this energy 5 minutes ago?
I'm telling you, I'm hurting. I'm just trying to get through it.
You spent more time doing and less bitching, you would have already been through it.
Listen, you're the knee crack.
That's all I got.
He said
to like 12.
He said 100.
Road life's kicking my ass.
All right, here, we'll start. We'll do something easier.
Finally get to see how Luke works.
Fucking hurting, man.
You have farmer shrugs. There and back, 7 times.
You just let me do 10,000 steps a day and get to my goal weight, yeah?
Just walking.
Yeah, just doing that, you're just gonna look like a saggy ball sack.
Why do you look like a saggy ball sack?
No, you look like a fluffed up ball sack right now. Saggy ball sack is way worse than fluffy ball
I'll
sack.
take saggy ball sack all day.
What's happening to Justin?
Being a bitch. He's got all this energy for the Hakkasan nightclub in Taiga in Vegas.
Ryan?
And all of a sudden it comes to a couple bodyweight squats.
Did you see me there doing anything crazy? Nope.
No squats. No squats were done.
I literally coexisted and sat there and watched everything. My tongue was about the only thing working.
You gotta shrug.
I am shrugging. I can't. It's too heavy. What do you mean it's too heavy?
Let me see the weight. What is it?
Tens.
Wow.
It's too heavy. I can't hold it. Yeah, there's no way. I can hold it. I can. Hold on, I got product in here. Yeah, I'm not even fucking with him. I'm fucking hurting.
Feels good to be me. Da, 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 da. Feels good to be free. Da, 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 da. Yeah. Feels good to be me. No apologies. Feels good to be me. Da, 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 da.
All right, Dan.
Where we at?
So we are at dinner now. So usually every single night we try and find some quality food. I used to get shit-faced, but now with a revived life, I don't do that any longer.
We're going to Timeout Tavern. All right, let's go, boys.
Feels good to
Like
be
this one, then?
What's up, guys?
Oh, you videoing me?
No, dude.
Oh, what's up, stuff?
Yeah, there's no video here. I never video.
Video?
Yeah.
Definitely not on a work call right now.